Good day, everyone. My name is Francis Hipolito Gonzalez from the section of BSHM 3J. Question number 1. What is carbonated and protein? Carbohydrates or carbs are sugar molecule. Along with proteins and fat, carbohydrates are one of the main nutrients found in the food and drinks. Your body breaks down carbohydrate into glucose. Glucose or blood sugar is the main source of energy for your body cells, tissue, and organs. What is the importance of these nutrients within our body? Nutrients have one or more of the three basic functions to provide energy, contribute to our body structure, or regulate chemical processes into our body. These basic functions allow us to detect and respond to environmental, waste, breathe, grow, and reproduce. What are the associated diseases if an individual is lacking or excesses within these nutrients? Infection diseases are disordered because by organisms such as a bacteria, virus, fungi, and parasites. Many organisms live on our body. What are the foods that are considered as a good source of these nutrients? Getting them throughout food ensure your body can absorb them properly. Try to eat variety of food to get different vitamins and minerals. Food that naturally are nutrients rich include fruits and vegetables. What are the other information that people must know regarding these nutrients? Nutrients are chemical substances found in every living things on earth. They are necessary to that live of people, plants, animals, and all other organisms.